What free software is so good you can't believe it's free? Handbrake is a tool for converting video from nearly any format to a selection of modern, widely supported codecs. Free, open source and multi-platform. Edit. I woke up to 80+ notifications in silver. Thank you, stranger. As first comment here said, Handbrake is GWAY for MVP. VLC, that's why I donated it. For any innocent soul out there who doesn't know this already, McAfee is the worst software you can have on your computer. They claim it's an antivirus and they pay millions to other software companies to sneak them into your system. At this point they're basically a malware. Stay clear of it. Edit. Hey, thanks for the silver. DaVinci Resolve 15. The best free video editor ever. It can do more than iMovie and is much easier to use than Sony Vegas. My opinion, by the way. I feel like you're kinda underselling it here. Yes, it's a pretty solid video editor, but it is the color grading software. Like it's the grading software used on I think most feature films like Fury Road. And the free version is pretty much feature complete aside from a few things. It blows my mind. 7-zip. Far better than WinRAR and guilt-free. WinRAR know about the loophole. They purposely put it in. They want people to use legitimate software and not go to other options which might be malicious. And at the time, 7-zip wasn't really a thing. A company will be inclined to buy software licenses lest they get sued, and support private users who may or may not be inclined to buy the license depending on how much it annoys them. Use WinRAR without guilt. PerfenView. Free but incredibly feature-rich image viewer and editor that is fast and tiny. Both disk space and memory. I've been using it for about 20 years almost daily and have not found better. And I'm still finding new and interesting ways to use it. Linux. For real. A lot of people don't realize that Linux is the OS for all Android devices. Most web servers, and many devices like routers. Also 100% market share in top 500 supercomputers. Chapter and verse audiobook compiler Calibre, ebook conversion management. Calibre is the best. You can throw virtually any file at it and it'll spit out a file compatible with whatever reader you want. Any internet browser. Imagine having access to the whole internet for free. Are you sure you're not paying with your privacy? Typed in Google Chrome *. Seriously, try Firefox. It has everything Chrome has and more. Except the Google Dictionary extension. MuseScore. Turn the songs in your head into sheet music you can play back. You can even add all sorts of weird instruments. It's cool, but it can be a real pain to work with. Audacity, the only audio editing software I use. Edit. Thanks for the gold! ! SFM Source Filmmaker. Imagine having the program used to animate cutscenes from Valve games for free. And the workshop that allows users to distribute models ripped from a handful of games. And 80% of the effort at least goes into porn, while the remaining 20% goes into heavily polished shitposts, but this isn't a bad thing. Khan Academy. Thank you, Salcon. You're the best. Edit. This comment got me my first silver, gold, and platinum. Thank you so much, guys. I went through most comments and summarized and categorized all software mentions. It's probably not exhaustive. Here it is. * 2D editing. *Krita, *OpenTunes, *OpenView, *GIMP, *Pixlr, *Inkscape, *Paint.net, *Medibang, *3D editing, *FreeCAD, *Blender, *MagicHavoxel, *MachiHuman, *Fusion 360, *SketchUp, *SolidWorks Inventor, students only. Video editing. DaVinci Resolve. Handbrake. SFM Source Filmmaker. asterisk video player, asterisk VLC, asterisk SM player, asterisk Kodi, asterisk Plex, asterisk pot player, asterisk physics simulation, asterisk Algodo, asterisk streaming, asterisk OBS, asterisk Streamlabs OBS, asterisk audiobook ebook, asterisk chapter and verse, asterisk caliber, asterisk networking, asterisk freeness, asterisk PF Sense, asterisk OpenVPN, asterisk NMAP, asterisk compression, asterisk 7-zip, asterisk code editor, asterisk VS Code, asterisk Notepad++, asterisk Vim, asterisk Sublime Text, asterisk Office, asterisk LibreOffice, asterisk Audio, asterisk MuseScore, asterisk Audacity, asterisk OS, infrastructure, asterisk Apache, asterisk Linux, asterisk Nanite, asterisk browser, asterisk Firefox, asterisk Chrome, asterisk VM, asterisk VirtualBox, asterisk Proxmox, asterisk Torrent, asterisk QBitTorrent, asterisk Sonar, asterisk Radar, asterisk SABNZBD, asterisk Maps, asterisk Google Maps, asterisk Google Earth, asterisk OpenStreetMap, asterisk Languages, asterisk R, asterisk Python, asterisk Game Engines, asterisk Unity, asterisk Unreal Engine, asterisk Godot, Edit, added Fusion 360, R, Python, Unity, Unreal Engine, Godot, Sublime Text, Paint.net, SolidWorks, Medibang, OpenStreetMap, Pot Player and Fix SketchUp position. As per comments. Thanks for the silver. Get Google Maps hands down. Can't believe I haven't seen it mentioned already. Yeah, I know you pay in the form of your data. And the fact you can download a map so it doesn't eat your mobile data is a pretty neat thing too. Blender. Holy shit, it's amazing. Greater than DaVinci Resolve 15. All these Blender posts make me want to download it. One huge problem though, I'm not creative in the slightest and know nothing about 3D creation. Oops. Open Broadcaster software is fantastic. I switched from paid Wirecast because OBS was better and more streamlined. QBitTorrent, Apache, Proxmox, Debian, Ubuntu, Firefox, Hangouts, mRemote NG, PuTTY, OpenVPN, Sonar, Radar, SABNZBD, VLC, Handbrake, Edit, Additions, for you, ID 100T, who might actually be me, ZEFS, and for some other people, Google, the search engine, no idea how I forgot, PF Sense, RIP Hangouts, pretty happy with Linux Mint at the moment. It's turned my antiquated Vista machine into a fully functional set-top box that does most of the stuff I wanted to. HemingwayApp.com is great for proofreading your work. It tells you what level it reads at, how complex, simple sentences are, and suggests where you can improve things. The web version is free, but there is a way to support the programmers and buy a download of the app. Fusion 360. I can't believe that they give it away, for free, to amateurs. I taught myself Fusion and worked myself into a career making 3 times what I did a couple years ago with no college degree. SketchUp is good for designing a shed. Fusion can change your damn life. VLC and Audacity. Audacity really is incredible for a free DAW. I used it for a couple years. However, if you're looking for the next step, I would highly recommend people check out Reaper. Only $60 and it's a beast and can do everything that expensive DAWs can. Though admittedly less user-intuitive. Give it some time to learn the ins and outs and you will be rewarded. Fucking Wikipedia, instant info about everything under the sun. Firefox, Rufus. From Kim Possible? No, from Bill and Ted. I know. Use it all the time to set up live USB to try out different distros. It's a godsend. Discord. Basically everything a gamer needs. Great voice, text, easy to use permissions roles that also have tons of functionality. tons of open communities for just about anything and everything you can think of. I use it all the time. Just a great all-around free program, monsieur. Edit. For all of those citing the privacy, data collection stuff, it's nothing new. And there are definitely good security practices that you should be using at all times when online. No matter what site, program, app, etc. you are using. If you're smart and cautious about what you put online to begin with, you'll be okay. Ad blocker, it's like putting a condom on your browser. Try Pi-hole. It's like a vasectomy. It's glorious. Caliber is an amazing free software for ebook organization. I also love the fact that you can convert the ebook files to be read by just about any device. LibreOffice, which is basically the same as Microsoft Office but free. Not really. But if you are broke and need something done, LibreOffice over any Google Suite. Next best thing after MS Office itself. Malwarebytes, it basically very good and free antivirus software, and on Opera I use AdBlocker Plus and an add-on. Free Malwarebytes is not an antivirus, it is just a malware scanner, no active firewall. R and RStudio. RStudio is magical. I love R, but goddamn if that leaning curve didn't have me stressed for an entire semester. Google's Snapseed to photo editor on a phone with no ads. So convenient. Plex. Bought the Plex Pass after using Plex heavily for years. Didn't really need the pass, but I just felt so dirty using such amazing software for free. They deserve it. Winterstat. OpenSSL. Unity really needs to be mentioned here more. It's an absolutely amazing software for game development and VR development. And it's free for use outside of large corporate use. So I'm getting to design my first full game with it. Also going to second everyone that said Blender, it's a great piece of software. Though they really need to work on the UI. Apache always blew my mind, it's so heavily responsible for the world we live in today. YouTube DL. It basically makes any YouTube video accessible with the best available audio and video possible. All offline. I can also download music files for any song I can think of. Edit. I use this specifically because I don't like all the GUI stuff. This is command line based in Linux. Nanite. Paint.net and PXLR. Disappointed that Paint.net isn't higher up in this thread. Something that most open source software struggles with is UX. Huge corporations employ dedicated researchers and large focus groups in order to make their software work the way people expect it to do. Smaller open source operations so often aim to tick all possible boxes feature-wise. Then they let the entire user interface be designed by one computer-savvy person who refuses to accept that anyone might be thinking differently. This goes for 99% of the software in this thread, and 100% of the most commonly nominated programs. Paint.net avoids this trap by correctly identifying the limited number of features an image editing software needs for most usage scenarios, and cleverly presenting the most basic features first, while hiding away features that only an advanced user will need. The end result is something that is as easy to use as Microsoft Paint, but with levels, transparency and anti-aliasing. If you want it to, it can be every bit as powerful as PS or GIMP. But in order to use PS you need a one-year education, and in order to use GIMP you need to think like the idiot who designed it. In Paint.net you just start it up, and anyone from a 25-yo SW dev to a 70-yo senior citizen can do what they wanted to do without prior training. Thank you for watching.